Well, you can see those in there. Anyways, what's up, guys? I was sitting here going through some of my stuff on the desk, and I closed my computer here. Let me show you real quick. I closed my laptop down, and I noticed the water was foggy. Where I have these snails. Those are snails I have in there. But my water was foggy. I had put a piece of watermelon for them to eat because I love eating the watermelon, the skin. But I noticed the water foggy, and then I realized, wait a minute, the pump's off. So then I went, where the hell did I do that? Oh, here it is. I realized the pump was off. Well, then I went to plug it back in, and listen to this. It's really not pushing any air out. The pump is bad, and I was getting ready to go buy another one, and I thought, you know what? It's still getting power, so why don't I just try to fix it? Instead of throwing it away or just rushing out to get a new one, why don't I just try to fix it? So that's what I'm gonna do right now, you guys. If you want to come along, let's go fix this. Get these snails some circulation in there again. Turn off my desk. I want to see if I can fix this pump, because I don't want to just go out and buy a new one just because this one doesn't want to work. I'll see if this one will work, if I can get it to work. Sometimes I feel that's the problem with today's society, is we're just quick to throw stuff away without giving it a second chance. You know, just like this. It was making a quick noise. I mean, it was making a noise, wasn't pushing air. I was getting ready to throw away and just go buy another one, instead of taking the time to actually trying to figure this out and fix it. I mean, it's obvious. I know what the problem is. I'm not no mechanic on these pumps, but I'll never know if I can fix it if I don't try. So I'm just gonna give it a whirl, and if I can't fix it, I'll go with my original plan, which is buy a new one. Alright, got all the screws out. Let's see what this looks like. Could be something simple too. Oh, my daughter calling. Hello?
Hi, Dad.
Hi, baby girl.
Oh my god. I was hoping they sold them. Okay. Hi, Mama. 29. Sorry, there was a baby.
Alright. Sorry about that. I got that phone call, but I went ahead and continued taking it apart. And I took this off, and what it looks like, there's a magnet right there and in there. So this goes in here like this, and that goes in like that, and then this magnet moves up and down, supposed to move this siphon, but this siphon isn't really siphoning. So I don't know if I gotta pick this up. I was gonna try to just, man, it's getting hot, bend this straight. Hello?
Sorry, Dad.
It's
There
okay.
was a teacher in here and they were trying to talk to me. I didn't realize.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, love you.
Love you too.
Okay, bye.
Bye. All right. So all I did was pull this off. I straightened it, so maybe that'll give it a tighter. I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm just gonna try, honestly. So I'm trying. All right, I'm trying. So let's see how it sounds when I plug it in. Ooh, it got quiet. can't tell if it's blowing air though. I think it should be going. I think it should be going faster than that. Let's see. Let's try it like this. Hello.
Antonio, se me pegó por acá, pero ahorita voy para allá.
Oh, ok, como una hora, media hora, ¿cómo?
Sí, estoy hasta Scottsdale, sí voy a tardar.
Oh, hasta andas.
Sí.
Ok, pues con cuidado.
Vale, gracias.
Okay, bye. My AC guy's coming down right now, and he's coming from Scottsdale, which is a little over an hour away from where well, now it's far. Scottsdale for me is, let's see. Hey Google, how far is Scottsdale from my location?
Scottsdale is 34.7 miles away from your current location, and it would take approximately 48 minutes to drive there via the I-10E.
All right, so yeah, about an hour away. So he's about an hour away, but with traffic, that makes about an hour and 40 minutes, hour and a half maybe. So, anyways. Let's try it like that. Tell if it's blowing air though. Let's try it like this. Nope, it's not blowing any air, guys. Am I even in this goddamn frame? Shit. So maybe it does need to be bent. Let me try to bend it. I know nothing about these pumps, you guys, so I'm learning right now as I go, trying to just figure this out. See how that's a magnet? So what I'm thinking is, because that's a big magnet and it's just a magnet strip in there, if I go higher, let me bend this higher. Higher and higher. Shit. Oh shit, that might be too much. Yeah, that's too much. Stupid. It's too tight. Put it lower then. Opposite, if it didn't work, I would put it too high, now put it low, see what happens. Fucking keep getting shocked. I'm in the fucking killing myself, shocking the shit out of me over here at this goddamn table. Well, that worked. So that worked right there by moving it lower. So I'm gonna go a little bit lower. Give this shit some turbo. All right, so what I did is this bar right here, I had it coming straight and then up to put this magnet up a little and closer to the wall that it rests on, the other magnet that it rests on in here. So I was trying to get it close to this wall but it actually has to go a little bit bent. So let me show you. Shit, I knocked off my visor. Anyways, put it in there, and it's a little bent now, so let's see if it works. See, now you can see how it works in there. So now let's see. Oh, stupid, I have to bang on my teeth. Bingo bango. You see? Now I was getting ready to go buy a new one. And all I had to do was bend that little bar. That's all I had to do. I said, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it. I almost had it in the trash can. When I thought to myself, just try to fix it. Everyone's always quick to throw shit away the minute it doesn't work. Alright, let's see if it still works. Alright, let's go clean this snail. Alright, we're back. Now this line right here, here's the pump that I just fixed. This line right here is actually going to the tank. So if you see this line right here, this line goes down that way, comes up into the tank, and then there's a you probably can't see it through all the plants, but there's actually a filter in there. There's a filter, so hopefully you can see me. So anyways, this pump attaches to I'm gonna lick it again, that's nasty. This pump attaches to this line, and what this line is, it's like a one-way valve, so air will come in and water can't come back in. So I'll attach this to that. Alright, that's good for now. Just leave this here. Now, let me turn you around so you can see actually, once I start, you can see how nasty this tank is getting. Yeah, see, I gotta move that, you can't see. It's running, you just can't see the bubbles because of it. Alright, I got it in, guys. I put some more water. I added water and I overdid it. So, but see, you can see the bubbles. So it's working. It's working. It's working. You can see some snails right there. There it is, guys. I fixed it. I fixed this little pump. It's actually still quiet. Still quiet. All done. I got a little happy with the water there. Went overboard. Made a little bit of a mess, but it's all done. It's working. I'm happy with it. One little chore done and out of the way. You know, I procrastinated on that one because honestly, I didn't think I was going to be able to fix that. I thought it was because it's such a small pump that a small piece was going to be broken in there. That's why I got so loud. But no, it was an easy fix. So I'm glad I took care of it. Saved me a little bit of money and saved me some time. I didn't have to go buy one. I didn't have to go out in traffic. But that's going to do it. And, you know, it sure does feel good getting these little chores knocked out of the way. You know, all these little tasks that I had building up in my notebook there. The chores, you know, I started writing down chores that I needed to get done. And the little ones, it's the little ones that count. You know, once I get the little ones done, it gives me that little bit of momentum to keep going. And that's what I need to do, is just do it. You know, I mentioned in one of my other videos, or a couple other my videos, that closed mouths don't get fed. Well, shit don't get done if shit don't get done. So I might as well start practicing that model. It ain't gonna get done unless you get it done. So I got some other stuff I gotta do before it gets too late, or it gets too late. So get it done. Until the next one, guys. See you.